Hello, let's learn to play The Greatest by Cat Power. Alright, I'm going to start out showing you the first chord progression she uses is C, A minor, E minor. And what she does is it's played through 2 times without vocals for an introduction, and then on the 3rd time the vocals begin. But I was doing, and what you might try to work on is just doing some arpeggios for the introduction. E minor. Now it goes to F. Then came D minor, the rush of the flood. G. Stars at night turn to dust. F. D minor. G. Now that section repeats at the end of the song, exactly the same. She goes into the first verse, playing the C, A minor, E, and she sings, "Melt me down." Big black armor on the E minor. Leave no trace of grace, just in your honor. Lower me down, C, A minor. Culprit south. Make him wash a space in town. Then she goes to the F. For the lead and the dregs of my bed. D minor. G. I've been sleeping. Lower me down. F. D minor. She goes to C, E minor, no vocals. A minor, E minor, she doesn't sing over those. Once I wanted to be, that's A minor, the greatest, E minor. So it's the C, A minor, E minor progression 3 times while she sings. With brains that could explain any feeling. Now she goes to the F. Lower me down, pin me in. D minor. G. The lead and the dregs of my bed. Sleeping for the later parade. C. Nothing over the A minor, nothing over the E minor. She repeats that one last time. No vocals. And she goes to the beginning part. Once I wanted to be the greatest. E minor. C, A minor, E minor. Then came D minor, the rush of the flood. G, stars at night turn deep to dust. F, D minor. And that's the song. It's over. She leaves you hanging there. So I think it was easier just to show you the sequence than it was to try to explain it, and that's why I'm teaching this song this particular way. If you don't know how to play an F chord, just use the 3 string 4, 3, 2 with your 3 fingers in the stair step position. Look up a chord diagram if you don't know it, but that's a very simplified way to play an F that a lot of people use. So don't be intimidated by the F. So that's The Greatest by Cat Power. If anyone's interested, we could start a Cat Power fan club.